Hey there, this is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento's YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the interior of the 2023 Jayco Eagle travel trailer. This is the 320 FBOK. This is really an open floor plan. I love the layout of this. This is a reiteration of the best trailer of the year, 1 year for Jayco, the White Hawk 32 KBS. Right when you walk in, you're facing a nice U-shaped dinette. Look how big this dinette is. Wow, is that a lot of sitting area? Over here you have your theater seating with cup holders, of course, and these chairs do recline. Looking at your fireplace and your TV, of course, and your stereo system. Look at this kitchen here. Nice, roomy counter space, lots of drawers. Deep drawers there as well. There's your Furrion stove and oven. Of course, your microwave. Love this corner pantry right here. Right when you walk in, you open up and wow, look at all that space you have right there. Huge. I think what I really like about this trailer though is not only the great living area, because you have a great area to sit while you have dinner, or if you want to play cards or have breakfast. You've got a great area at night to sit and watch TV and enjoy a nice fire. But I'll tell you, I love this bathroom area. Look how big this is. This is really almost kind of a rear bath format. Huge sink area, medicine cabinet as well. Love that accent lighting. Corner shower, wow, that's really a big corner shower. A lot of bells and whistles, and then you have a fan in here as well. Skylight, of course. You have the accent lighting. Big area, and then wow, look at this changing closet right here, where you can put all your clothes, all your towels, everything back here. Wow, just really big. Then I think I'm going to save the best for last. Let's go up and look at the bedroom up here. So this is the actual master suite, and gosh, what a nice layout. I mean, you have a huge slide for your bed, and look at this bench over here with your front window, your automobile front window. It's like you can sit on the bench and get dressed in the morning. Oh my gosh. How about enjoying a nice fire tonight while you're laying in bed? This comes with the upgraded air conditioner, of course, two ACs in the unit. But I love this layout, and it's a great couples trailer, but it would also suit a family too. Good size trailer. Comes in at just over 37 feet. Unloaded weight is about 9,200 pounds. It comes with all the upgrades, the second AC, electric stabilizer jacks, the roof ladder, everything. This is really, I think, one of my nicer layouts that I have on the lot here. I want to thank you for taking time to look at the unit. This is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento. For current availability or pricing of this unit, scan the QR code on the screen below, or visit our website at www.rvsasac.com. I really appreciate you taking time to view this walkthrough.